Do you want to get freedom from messy wires and go wireless? Get free from wires now! With Tewtross Bluetooth audio receiver. Simply one touch to power on. It's powered with premium Qualcomm Bluetooth chipset. Just plug the device to your speaker system and pair with your phone in few seconds. Wireless setup finished. Connect with free aux wire provided in the box. The device works while charging also. Enjoy easy volume, song and call controls. Upgrade your wired headset. Upgrade your car stereo or any other music system at your home.